Hello friends, myself Jaideep Tahsildar welcomes you on my video. Vastu Gyan. Vastu Shastra is Indian origin science. Vastu Shastra has been a part of Indian culture for thousands of years. Vastu Shastra has its origin in Stapatya Veda, which is a part of Atharva Veda. Topic for a day: which directions a student should face while studying. Most of the time when I interact with parents, they always say that their kids do not focus on their studies. They also notice that their child have lack of concentration in studies. Whenever I interact with students, they always say that they feel lethargic while studying. They also not be able to focus on their studies, which affects their academic performance. Most common questions I always come across: which direction is good for study? Where child should face while studying? Is there any common direction that can face while studying? Try this to score well in exams. It will help you to upgrade your focus and also increase your concentration in the subject. Directions. Let's start with directions. There are 4 main directions: east, west, north and south. 4 sub-directions: northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Total 8 directions, also known as Ashtadishas in Vastu Shastra. All 8 directions have their own significance and are assigned with 12 zodiac signs. The most auspicious and positive direction to face while studying is north, northeast and east direction. For good improvement in different subjects, students should face the following directions: agricultural science, agrometeorology, tourism. Students should face east direction while studying for better result. Biology, chemistry, chemical engineering, research methodology and other research students should face southeast direction for better result. Physics, architecture, civil, electrical engineering student should face south direction while studying for better results. Psychology, electronics engineering student should face southwest direction while studying for better results. Business studies, economics, English, history, law, medicine, mechanical engineering student should face west direction for better result. Home science, geography students should face northwest direction for better results. Accounts and mathematics, information technology, that is IT students should face north direction for better results. Hindi, Sanskrit and other language students should face northeast direction for better results. Friends, the northeast portion of your house should be clean and clutter free. This zone is where the brain of Vastu Purusha lies. To know more about Vastu Shastra, do log into my website mrjaideep.com. Do like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.